Dandelion roots. I use this for so many people. It has so many benefits. It's crazy. It's insane what it does for so many things. It's been used for Chinese medicine forever. This flowering plant, it's rich in vitamin C, B complex, and D. It's also high in beta carotene. It's actually higher than carrots, which then gets converted into the vitamin A. And did you also know that dandelion contains more protein than spinach? The dandelion leaf. Now the roots, the roots, the roots. The medicine is in the roots. With this, I just cannot even say how powerful these roots are. Just had someone message me last week and say, I've got gout. Can you help me with the gout? So I started them immediately on dandelion roots, and I made a salve with 100% pure gum spirits, turpentine, to put on the gout. And they had the dandelion roots, and within 2 days, they could walk again. He was amazed that the gout was almost gone. He's on his 5th day of a liver cleanse with the dandelion roots, and he's better. So dandelion roots, guys, very, very powerful. Can't say enough about the roots.